Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. As part of Power Automate Power Platform tutorial, we have already covered few topics like introduction to Power Platform, Power Automate Desktop, and we have covered message boxes, input dialog, and variables. So today we are going to learn Clipboard. So Clipboard concepts. So first of all, we will learn what is Clipboard. So clipboard is nothing but let's suppose if you want to perform any copy paste operations in your local VDI or mission. So let me open notepad. Let's suppose here I have some data. I want to copy that data and I want to paste it over here. So what I'll do, I'll just select that data and I'll press Ctrl C and I'll going to perform Ctrl V. So whatever the operations we are performing, Control C and Control V. So whatever the operations we are performing to copy and paste the data, uh, you know, those actions are called clipboards. Okay, so these actions are called clipboards. So our system is going to store the temporary data by using Control C operation in the clipboard, and you can just extract that clipboard history by using Control V. So by using Control C, we can copy the data. It will override the existing instance in the clipboard. And by using Control V, we can paste the data multiple times. So we are going to assign some data in clipboard and you can paste multiple times. The data you can paste multiple times using Control V operations. So whenever if you select another data, then the clipboard will be override and we can clear the clipboard. So the same example we are going to try in Microsoft Power Automate Desktop. Okay, so our series we are going to learn the basic concept and how to utilize in real time scenarios. Okay, so we are going to learn any topic like the basic usage and real time scenario usage. So first of all, we will learn the basic usage of clipboard concept in Microsoft Power Automate, and later we are going to learn real time scenario. How we can utilize this clipboard concept in real time concepts. Let's get started. Now we are in Microsoft Power Automate Desktop Developer Editor. So we have already covered how to navigate to Flow and how to launch the Microsoft Power Automate Desktop and all. If you have any queries or concerns, please let me know. I'll try to help you on that. Okay, so let's get started. So today we are going to learn clipboard. So let me type clipboard. So here you can see the clipboard package. So under in the left hand side, we can see different packages. So in the clipboard package, several sub commands like get clipboard text, set clipboard text, and clear clipboard content. So whatever we discussed in the notepad, the Control C and Control V. Control C is nothing but assigning or set some value to the clipboard. That is, set clipboard option is nothing but Control C. Control V. Control V is nothing but get some text from the clipboard. So clear clipboard. So in general, we cannot clear clipboard content. Like, so whatever the content you have, you can just copy and paste it. Or else, if you want to assign some dummy data, you can assign it to the clipboard. Then it will override. But you cannot clear clipboard. But by in Microsoft Power Automate, sorry, desktop, we can clear clipboard content as well. So first of all, we will see each one of these command. Let me drag and drop get clipboard text first. So these are all the features in get clipboard text command. So there is no additional properties or something like that. So only one thing, it is going to generate a variable to display the clipboard text, that is Control V. So get clipboard text is nothing but control V. So let me click on save, and let me use message box to display that clipboard content. Display message, I want to display clipboard text. So here message type, we need to provide few details such as a message box title as clipboard text, and message body display, I want to display the variable generated by the clipboard get clipboard command, and let me select that command and let me save. So in order to run this process, we need to click on run button. So whatever the content in the clipboard, the message box is going to display that particular content. So let's see. So here you can see JB. Why JB? I'll tell you. So here we have copied JB content. So because of that reason, the in our system clipboard that content is there. Let's suppose I'll delete this thing, and what I'll do, I'll just write hello world. Okay. Hello world, and I'll write few more things. Uh, So just I'll copy this content. So Control C, I'll press Control C. Now in my system keyboard, we have Hello World, Mahesh, Pawan, Prabhas. So let's see. So now I will try to run this flow again. Now you can see the difference. This is how we can get the clipboard content. Here you can see Hello World, Mahesh, Pawan, Prabhas. We are receiving the clipboard content. Okay. This is how we can get the clipboard content. Let's suppose instead of control C, so we manually copying clipboard content uh, using control C, right? So instead of we can use set clipboard by using clipboard action, set clipboard text. I'll use this set clipboard text to set the data. So here you can set the data. You can manually enter some data, or you can also pass the variable. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll just enter some data. That is Salman, Pravas, Nice. So let me click on save. Now what I will do, I'll just drag and drop this command to the top. Now let me save this task or flow, and let me run the task. So now we are going to set clipboard text as Salman, Prabhas, and Mahesh. So the same content we can see from the get clipboard command. So here we only perform Control C and Control V operations by using Microsoft Power Automate desktop flows. Let's suppose if you want to clear content. So here we are setting something and we are getting the clipboard text and we are setting something, right? So here what I'll do in between set and get, I'll clear content, clipboard text, sorry, set, not this one, clear clipboard content. So if you use clear clipboard content, whatever the data you are assigning to the clipboard, it will clear, then you will get null data. So that means when you perform get operations, you will get empty data. Why? Because here we are trying to assign something, but here we are clearing everything from the clipboard. Then we are clearing clipboard text will be empty, and even though if you try to get clipboard text, you will get a empty data. Let's see. Let me save this task and let me try this command. See, here you can see the data is empty. Okay, so this is how we can use set clipboard text, clear clipboard content, and get clipboard text. So what is the use of this command in real-time scenarios? Let's see. So let's suppose any one of the process, if you want to perform something control C and control V operations, or if you want to get some data. So let's suppose if you want to get some data, you know, uh, by default, let's suppose if you copy something by default and you are running the code. Okay, you are running the code, and whatever the content stored in your local VDI or your mission, that content is going to display something like this, but that is not supposed to happen. So because of that reason, so whenever if you are trying to use, whenever you are trying to use the clipboard concept, first of all we should clear the content. So this is the best practice, for using clear content. So most of the processes, few scenarios, we are going to copy and paste the scenarios. Okay, so if we have any default content copied in our clipboard, we should clear. So for as a best practice in the real-time scenarios, we should clear the content first, and then you can utilize this clipboard concept. So you can just store temporary data to the clipboard variable, and you can utilize that variable in a multiple times. Instead of creating a different variables, you can use this clear clipboard content and get clipboard content and set clipboard temporarily. So instead of creating multiple variables, what you can do, you can just use this clipboard concept, and you can store the temporary data. So the data is going to change dynamically, right? There you can just utilize this clipboard temporary data. But the best practice, wherever you are using the clipboard, you should clear the content first. Okay, that's all guys. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe and don't forget to click on bell icon. And as part of Microsoft Power Automate series, we are going to cover files and folders automation in the next video. Thank you.